We are pleased to show you the 2015 Acura TLX. The Acura TLX impresses drivers with its nimble handling, great fuel economy, and long list of high-tech features. It comes with an extremely quiet interior, spacious front seats, and smooth ride quality, and is priced below $25,000. This vehicle has less than 50,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power passenger seat, navigation system, traction control, leather-wrapped steering wheel, dual airbags, air conditioning, Bluetooth, moonroof, alloy wheels, one owner. Wouldn't you look great in this vehicle? Stop in today and see for yourself.